Line 22, 7b, 254, Antisymmetric Tensor, Differential, Geometry, Hyperbolic, Wormholes, Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. Okay, so column vectors, linear, subspace, domain, modules, algebra, functional analysis, wormholes, kernel, linear, map, vector space, zero vector, hyperbolic, paraboloid, ultraparallel lines, keyword research, line 22, wow data. So the previous video was line 22, 7b, 253, orthogonal, Cartesian coordinates, angles, wormholes, curvilinear, wow Seti. March 3rd, 2014, I looked at the keyword antisymmetric tensor. And I'm going to just move these over a bit. And they don't want to. Of course not. There's a problem when I do it before filming. There we go. Now I can fit it in there. Okay, quotes and diagrams are from wiki. In mathematics and in theoretical physics, a tensor is antisymmetric or on or with respect to an index subset if it alternates sign, plus and minus, when any two indices of the subset are interchanged. The index subset must generally either be all covariant or all contravariant. And for example, there's a t ijk equals minus t jk, and then it goes on. Holds when the tensor is antisymmetric on its first three indices. If a tensor changes sign under exchange of any pair of its indices, then the tensor is completely or totally antisymmetric. A completely antisymmetric covariant tensor may be referred to as a p-form, and a completely antisymmetric contravariant tensor may be referred to as a p-vector. The keyword differential geometry is a triangle immersed in a saddle-shaped plane, a hyperbolic paraboloid, as well as two diverging ultraparallel lines. The keyword is kernel, linear algebra, and in linear algebra and functional analysis, the kernel, also null space of a linear map L to V to W between two vector spaces or two modules V and W is the set of all elements of V for which L to V equals 0. That is, and there's the algorithm there, where 0 denotes the 0 vector in W. The kernel of L is a linear subspace of the domain V. For a linear map given as a matrix A, the kernel is simply to set the solutions to the equation AX equals 0, where X and 0 are understood to be column vectors. The dimension of the null space of A is called the nullity of A, and the data continues in the next video. Thank you for watching.